Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to our O-level biology lecture series. In the previous lecture, we studied the structure of bacterial cell. Today, we will study specialized cell and understand how this structure is related to their function. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define specialized cell, name different specialized cell, explain how this structure is related to their function. First point is, what is specialized cell? Not all the cells in the organisms are same. Some are adapted to perform a particular job, and these cells are called specialized cells. If we are talking about the definition of the specialized cell, we said a specialized cell is a cell that is adapted to carry out a specific function. Okay, it changes the structure according to the function. Here there is an examples of some cell. Firstly, we will discuss the root hair cells. If root hair cells are found in the plant roots, they absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. Now we discuss the adaptations, that how it is modified for its function. Root hair is very long, root-like extensions increases surface area. You can see this. Thin cell wall allows easily absorption. It has a very thin cell wall that make it easy that the molecules can be absorbed easily. It has a large vacuole, mean that it maintains concentration gradient. Concentration gradient mean is that it contains a very low amount of that substances like water and minerals. So water and mineral can easily diffuse toward the root hair cells. So it is the basic function of the root hair cell. Next is palisade mesophyll cell. Palisade mesophyll cells are found in the leaf. These are the structure that is present in plant leaves, and its function is that they carry out photosynthesis. Now we discuss its adaptation. Adaptation is that it has more chloroplast. More chloroplast means that it absorbs more light. It is elongated in shape. You can see here. Uh, Fit closely together like these two are fit with each other, and it is located near the surface of upper surface of the leaf, because it have a contact to the sunlight, and it have to absorb the maximum sunlight. The most important point is that palisade cells are adapted for photosynthesis because they absorb a lot of light. And the third one is nerve cell. Nerve cells carry out messages in the form of electric impulses. Its function is that it transmits nerve impulse from one part of the body to another. If we discuss its adaptations, that how it is adapted for it. It is long in shape, helps in transmission over long distances. You can see this, that it is a very long fiber. It has branched ended. These are the branched ended, this one and this one. Branched ended helps to connect with other cells. It is covered with mammalian sheath that speed up the nerve impulse. This covering is known as mammalian sheath, that is in black outline. Okay, so this is the basic adaptations of the nerve cells. Now we discuss the RBCs, or red blood cells. Red blood cells are found in the blood. They transport oxygen from lungs to all the part of the body. So it is the function of the red blood cells. Now we discuss its adaptations, or the structure related to its function. It is biconcave in shape. This is the biconcave shape. It has no nucleus, because if there is no nucleus, so they provide the maximum space for hemoglobin. It contains hemoglobin bind with oxygen, and in this way it transport the oxygen to all the part of the body. Okay, so the most important point is that red blood cells are adapted to carry oxygen, so it is basically used for the transportation of the oxygen. And next one is sperm cell. Sperm cells is a male gamete. It fertilizes the egg cell. It is the male sex cell that helps the process of the fertilization. If we're talking about the adaptations, its adaptation is like it has a tail. tail, also known as flagellum, that helps in swimming because sperm cell has to move to reach the egg cell. So it has a tail which helps it. This is the tail, this one. Next is has mitochondria. Mitochondria releases energy. Acrosome has some enzymes that helps to enter the egg cell. This is the enzymes, acrosomes. And next one is nucleus. Nucleus carries genetic material or the basic information that passes from the male to the female. And the last one is egg cell. Egg cell is the female gamete. It fuses with the sperm during fertilization. During fertilization, it meets with the sperm cells, and then the fertilization process is completes and the zygote is made. If we discuss its adaptations is like it is large inside, contain food for the embryo. This one, it is the large inside, so this size helps to contain a more food for embryo. It has cytoplasm rich in nutrients, like the cytoplasm is a basic source for food. Also have the nucleus which contains the genetic information. Specialized cells help organisms to work efficiently, perform specific functions, survive better in the environment. So this is basically known as the division of labors. So this is the basic importance of specialized cells, that why specialized cells are so important. Today we learned the meaning of specialized cells, red blood cells and its adaptation, nerve cells and its adaptations, root hair cells, palisade cell, sperm cell and egg cells. So students, this was our lecture on specialized cells. In the next lecture, we will study the level of organizations. Make sure you revise today's lessons and learn adaptations carefully. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz and see you in the next lecture.